Most women are completely ignoring this simple business that they can start with just a low capital. And the crazy part is, all you need to start this business is just a connection with one factory. A lot of women want to start business, but it all comes to this problem. It's either they don't have enough money, or they have so many ideas that they don't know where to even start from. And that is one of the reasons why many women get stuck for all years. They keep doing the same mistake over and over again. But here is the truth. In this modern world that we are right now, you don't need a big budget to start a business. All you need in this modern world right now is the right product and the right access to that product. That is all you need to start a business. One of the smartest idea or business idea that women can start with right now as I speak to you is you selling a shapewear. Before you scroll or kick off, let me give you this simple explanation. Shapewear is something that women are buying every day. This is not seasonal. Women want to look good all the time. It's not a trend that will disappear. People buy this shapewear over, or they reorder over and over again. As me being a mother, I have experience with this. I always want to look good in my clothes. Because of that, I wear shapewear. That's what makes it powerful business for you to start with, especially if you're a mom, a stay-at-home mom, or somebody who or even have a business or have a job. You can still do this because this is very minimal, and I am going to give you all of these explanations as we get into this video. You are welcome back to the channel. My name is Rose, and today I am giving you that simple business idea that you've been ignoring completely all this while, but this business can make you money. That is shapewear. And today I want you to we are just going to go down into why you need to actually do this business. Even now that I speak with you, you might be thinking, where do I get the money to start this business? Let me tell you the truth. The fact or the truth of selling shapewear is that you do not need a big budget. That's what most people do not realize. You do not need a big budget to start this business. Neither did you need a factory or even a large inventory. No, you don't need any of this. All you need right now is for you to have access to the right supplier or the factory, and also you being ready to market this product. If you're watching me right now and you think that you can actually market a shapewear, which I'll be giving you ideas either in this video or in another video how you can market it, please stay tuned. And this is how a lot of beginners started. Or if you are watching me right now or you want to start, this is how you need to start it. All you need is to connect or get a manufacturer or a supplier that will supply you this shapewear, and you also don't have to order a big batch. You just have to order a small amount where you can test and see which of the styles that you can start with. And after getting your product, what do you want to sell, which style you want to sell, guys, all you need is to go on your social medias. You can use YouTube, you can use Instagram, you can use TikTok, because these places are the best marketplaces right now in the world. Your internet. I know it's a little bit difficult to find a supplier or to find a manufacturer. That's where I come in. I have done all the work for you. I am going to be leaving all the shapewear, the company where I got the factory that I got mine from. So if you are interested, if you want to start this business, as I said, all you need is the right manufacturer or your supplier and a very small low capital, and yourself being ready to start. And I have done all this work for you. I have the supplier ready. If you want to start this business, I want you to take this. I'm going to leave a link either on the screen or in the comments, in the description box. I'm going to leave my email. I am not giving this opportunity to everybody. This is not for everybody. And I know that there are people out there. I actually wanted to start this business last year before I was diagnosed, and I needed to go through treatment. As I said, I am still undergoing after treatment. I am not completely healed, and I was thinking that, no, why am I keeping this contact to myself? There are some people out there who might need this contact, who are ready to start this business. That is why I have come here to give you this information. If you want to start this business, I have it for you. I have done all the work for you. Okay? I have done all the work for you. All you have to do is to email me. I'm going to leave my email. Just listen. I need only 10 people, serious people. Just 10 people. We're going to create a group, and I'm going to take you step by step how to do this. I'll be making videos about how to do it, but having that, intimacy or having that direct contact with you, these 10 ladies, and then we will start a brand and we will start a business. And next year by this time, you will come and thank me for giving you this opportunity. You don't have to have everything all figured out. You just have to start from somewhere, and you need somebody to take you through that journey. Again, if you are interested, I have done all the work for you. All you need is to send me an email and just send ready. You don't need any explanation, or just send me an email saying I'm ready or ready, and I will contact you personally to start the journey, because as I said, I need only 10 women to start this journey with. I want you to have your own brand. I want you to have your own business. I want you to put yourself out there and make good money on this online. There is money online to be made. And if you are not making money online, then my dear, you are wasting your time. So I will be waiting for those serious 10 women who want to start selling shapewear. You don't need to have everything figured out. You just need to start from what you have and where you are, and build from there. And this could actually be that your starting point as we speak right now. I am here to help you, and if you are ready, let's do this together. So guys, I forgot to let you know that to join this group of 10 women, it's not for free. Even though that it is not for free, it is not expensive as well. As I said, I am trying to help. So all you need is $49. If you don't have $49, please do not send me a message. But if you're ready with $49, getting you a supplier and a help, you can know that I am not doing this for money. I've also invested a lot of money getting the product and testing it, and also I have invested a lot of time in finding this supplier. So giving you $49 is very cheap. So that's what I want to let you know before you join the group.